loud in here on the factory floor, but we're here today to build my Hardline bike. We've got the best components. We've got new brakes, brand new forks, a limited edition Myst X frame. I can't wait to build it up. Come on, let's get started. This is my Saracen Myst X 2025 limited edition frame set. Right, we've got Rob here today, former mechanic of mine, 4 years, World Cup racing. Fun fact about Rob, he's never had a mechanical. Nothing ever went wrong when he was looking after my bike, so I'm stoked today to have him build this beast.
You excited, Rob?
Yeah, very.
Rob is just bolting on my brand new GR4. This is in a super limited smoke colorway. I've ran the prototypes since December 24. They've had a lot of stick, never missed a beat. And yeah, this is now the production brake going on my Hardline bike.
There much braking down that Hardline track?
More than you think. You need to be under control. Civilized braking, we'll call it. I'm making a TikTok. One of the things I'm really looking forward to at Hardline after the big drop is super heavy landing, really rough, hard braking into a deep left-hand turn. This bike is amazing under braking, so I'm looking forward to coming to that bit now because usually I dread it. Yes, a Hardline. Generally, setup wise, I don't change anything. Rebound and everything stays the same. The setup is generally quite stiff and quite fast on the rebound. We need the bike to recover, and I think if you can hold on to a bike set up this way, then it's a fast bike. We've got the SDG I-beam iFly saddle. It has this neat little cutout in the back. So if we need to slam the saddle a bit to get a bit more clearance over the back end, we can. We don't have to worry about the tyre buzzing it on any of the big landings. We've got a 155mm Hobtech Evo crankset going on, paired with the Rimpact chain dampener. This makes the bike really quiet. Big fan of the short cranks, obviously get that extra clearance and avoid any pedal strikes. Nice how it finished level, did you see that? Couldn't do it again.
Do you have any space in here?
Hope's strongest rim is a 27.5 inch on a 150 hub with the X12 spacers. I run the 150 hub. Hope actually do a dedicated downhill hub, which spaces these flanges a bit wider and does actually build a stronger wheel, but I do like the whole compliance. It's a popular word right now. I do like the compliance this offers. This bike's very stiff on the back end, so I feel this just gives me a little bit of give on the back. And then obviously we're running a 10-speed Shimano cassette with the most reliable gears on the planet. These would survive an atomic blast, I think, which is what you need. Basically, you can get the DHR2 in a 2.4 or a 2.5. We do mix between both. Going back to conditions, if it was slightly muddier, I would run the narrower tyre. But hoping it's dry, we're staying optimistic. So we've got the bigger tyre on, just a bit more give basically, and a bit more protection against the bedrock. We have put in the Fox 40 up front, the burliest fork on the market. Strong, stiff, everything you want for that Hardline track. We've got a tune mass dampener in there as well, just to take any extra vibrations out. Basically, I want all the help I can get. 770mm Renthal aluminium bar, 31/8 clamp, go-to, staple, reliable cockpit. These are the lock-on Elite Pro grips. I do actually chop and change between the Reflex and the Elites, but I do like the Elites because they have a raise in the center of the palm. They also have the waffle on the underside, which is obviously good in the UK because we do a lot of wet riding. So if you do get a muddy grip, you can still hold on to it. Three lever options on the new brake: comfort, control and power. The ergonomics of the lever are vastly improved in my opinion. It's a very comfortable brake, very natural and light on the finger, which is nice because obviously some of these big runs you are pulling them quite hard towards the end once fatigue sets in and that, so it's nice to just have a bit less pressure on your fingers and you don't have to work so hard. Yeah, believe it or not, the hardest part of Hardline is probably a section people would least expect, but there's actually a small rock garden right before the road gap. You're starting to get a little bit tired. You're obviously thinking about the finish because you've got quite a long way down the course, and then you get into this rock garden. It's steep, it's slippery, it's awkward. It's everything you don't want in a track, to be honest with you. And it's just trying to grab you every little bit of it. And once you get out of that, it's like, it obviously isn't over, but you've definitely done the hard bit, so to speak. And for me, that is definitely the hardest section. We can't do a Hardline bike without some Hardline on it. We're going custom reservoir caps. Margin Ash have absolutely smashed it here, so let's go and see what this machine can do. Good job. This is the Enlays 5000 workstation. Oh,
He's ready to go.
How cool. Look at that. We've got the road gap, we've got the Hardline logo. Best race ever. Yeah, it's came out mint, that. Well, I am the fisherman. World's fastest. There is other fast fishermen out there. AMS sticker kit to protect the bike. We've got to look after the bike. Rocks and everything get thrown up. So we want to keep this lovely paint job nice. But at the same time, we threw some pretty cool designs on there. The guys absolutely smashed it and I'm absolutely buzzing with it. We've just prepped the surface with some alcohol and now the pressure is to get this absolutely bang on, and I think that's pretty good, guys. Just to prevent any potential heel rub. Yeah, so the Myst has an awesome chainstay protector. It's quite robust and it has them little ridges on it which just help keep things really quiet, nice and smooth. A quiet bike is a happy bike.
Generally, from factory, the stop screws are usually in a pretty good starting position. So if you just nip your cable up there, you can usually get it like bang on.
Here we have the Crud XL. I really hope we don't need it at Hardline, but we're going to put it on anyway because we really don't want any mud in our eyes. And it literally does take 2 minutes to fit. No zip ties. You can even mess with the height of it if you wanna. And then we just use these O-rings. here we go. The Myst is complete. Hardline build 2025. I'm absolutely buzzing with this. I think the colours look amazing. All the finishing kit, it just ties it together perfectly. I can't wait to send this bike.